Court, from the Madras High Court, that we are getting that they will be hearing the case in detail tomorrow. This is as far as the Lavanya suicide case is also concerned, where strict action will be taken if there are any complaints of forced conversions in school, and that is being said by the Tamil Nadu government to the Madras High Court. So Shilpa, the updates please from the court side. What's going to happen as far as the row is in the Madras High Court and the response from the Tamil Nadu government side?
Well, Amita, this case, PIL was filed by a Chennai-based lawyer, Jagannath, seeking directions from the court to Tamil Nadu government to make sure that there are no forced conversions that take place in schools. Because remember, ever since the Lavanya case, at least two other allegations have surfaced from Tirupur and Kanyakumari districts. So the lawyer, of course, refers to these cases and says there should be strict guidelines that should be enforced to make sure that there are no religious conversions that take place in schools. And the Madras High Court, of course, has adjourned the hearing to tomorrow. It will hear the case in detail tomorrow, is what we're being told. And during the course of the hearing today, the Tamil Nadu government told the Madras High Court that strict action will be taken if there are complaints of any forced conversion in schools. And the AAG also questioned the maintainability of the plea. So that is the reason why tomorrow there will be detailed hearing on this matter. But meanwhile, the Madras High Court has asked this question as to what is the harm in directing the government to frame guidelines to prevent religious conversion in schools. There is, of course, right to profess religion, but there is no right to convert, is what an observation that is coming in from the side of the court as well. So we will, of course,
continue to be with us. Let me also now go across to Zeenat Shaukat Ali joining us on this broadcast. And Zeenat Shaukat Ali, your response to the Madras High Court, which is all set to hear the Lavanya case in detail tomorrow, once again asking the state government in a way and nudging them to lay down rules and guidelines for schools.
I think that's a very good idea. That is, what the Supreme Court, what the honourable courts are saying is that one has to examine every case. I would not use the word ban. You know what I mean? Banning of somebody, because we want to study each case and see that if there is a forced conversion, that should not happen. Nothing in this world or in our secular democratic India needs to be forced on anyone. See, so any kind of force or coercion that is inflicted or that is implemented or done for a student should not happen. And I think the Supreme Court should hear this correctly and should hear the Lavanya case, but I don't know about the word of the use ban.
Ma'am, this is the Madras High Court that we're talking about, when the matter will be taken up in detail tomorrow. Zeenat ji, for the moment, thank you very much for joining us. Shilpa, to you as well.